Welcome back to the channel, RacerX here, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about Direct Connection and some of the exciting things coming down the pipe from them. If you are not Mopar savvy, you don't know what Direct Connection is, that is okay. Direct Connection is an offshoot of the Mopar brands, i.e. Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, and Ram. They have been out there forever, giving us things like superchargers, giving us things like crate engines for those racers out there, lots of different aftermarket parts for your Mopars. And now all of a sudden we're seeing tons of growth within both SRT, that's a whole different discussion, and both Direct Connection, because there's a new sheriff in town. We know Tim Kaniskis has been back for a while. He is over all the North American brands to include Direct Connection, SRT. He's kind of overseeing all of that right now. We've got a lot of new sheriffs at the executive level, and we're starting to see tons of new stuff come down from Direct Connection, the first of which was released on the Rumblebees. We'll talk a little bit about that as well. If you guys are brand new to the channel, please do me a big, gigantic favor. Hit subscribe. You can find the button over here. Off we go. Really quick, guys, before we get on with the video, just a quick reminder that Dream Giveaway's newest giveaway is a Challenger Hellcat Jailbreak Last Call 2023. It is right here behind me in white with beautiful red stripes, red Laguna leather. I absolutely love this thing. 7,000 miles on this. All you have to do is go to Dream Giveaway's website, enter my code RacerX, you will get 4X entries, and I really hope that one of my subscribers wins. Matter of fact, if one of my subscribers wins, I will do a dedicated video with you and your brand new Challenger. I cannot wait to see who wins. Now, for those of you guys that follow my channel pretty regularly, you may realize I just got back from Michigan where I attended Roadkill Nights, a very cool event. I always enjoy going up there. And you may have seen where Ram showed us their new Rumblebee street truck. I think a lot of people are excited about that truck coming out. And they showed us three different variants. They showed us the 5.7 V8 variant. They showed us the 6.4 Apache V8 variant, 470 horsepower. And of course, the Bad Daddy SRT variants with a Hellcat in it, making 777 horsepower. And they also showed us some Direct Connection. So each one of those trucks had a Direct Connection variant. The 5.7 with a Whipple on it makes 600 horsepower. The Apache 6.4 makes 700 horsepower. And then of course the Bad Daddy SRT Hellcat variant makes 900 horsepower. That's all Direct Connection, comes with a factory warranty, all backed from Stellantis. That is pretty darn cool when you can think about a truck that you can buy from the factory making over 900 horsepower. We're still waiting to hear some of the details on exactly how much those packages will cost, somewhere around that $10,000, $11,000 range. But the cool part is they can be installed at your local dealership. No longer do they have that power broker program going, so you don't have to find your very specific power broker dealer, which in many cases was hours and hours away to get your Direct Connection parts installed. They can do it at your local dealership and they can keep your warranty. So that is very appealing to a lot of people. And so now that we've seen these Direct Connection packages on the Rumblebee trucks, a lot of people are asking, well, are they going to do anything on the 5.7 trucks? Because we know these Ram 1500s, they have the 5.7 in them ever since 2026. Everybody was so excited about that coming back. Well, they obviously have a Rumblebee with a Direct Connection stage kit on it that makes 600 horsepower. Why wouldn't they offer it on the regular Ram 1500? A lot of other people are also asking, well, what about the Charger? We know that it has a standard output Hurricane. It also has a high output Hurricane. Are they not developing stage kits for that? We know that obviously a lot of people have the older 6.4s. So many people have been waiting for a lot of stuff to come down from Direct Connection. And recently I had a couple of conversations to shed some light on that. Now that Tim Kaniskis is fully back in the fold at Stellantis, over the North American brands, over SRT, over Direct Connection, we have seen so many changes. Those two groups, Direct Connection and SRT, are growing by leaps and bounds. And he's had a little bit of time in the role to kind of expand. There are new executives in town, as I mentioned, and everybody is really excited about what is going on. And it has been years since that's been the case. And when I was up there in Michigan, I talked to so many engineers and so many new people at Ram and so many new people at Dodge. And there's just this renewed sense of enthusiasm.
Hell yes.
around the brands. And that is really exciting for somebody like me who's a big Mopar enthusiast. I think we only have good things to look forward to here in the next, say, 30 months when we've got 9 or 10 different SRT vehicles coming down. Now we've got Direct Connection growing like crazy, and I just talked to several people from Direct Connection, and the growth we're seeing there with Direct Connection is really, really exciting. As I mentioned, we've got, the 5.7 platform, and I fully believe that there will be a new 5.7 Direct Connection package coming down for the regular Ram 1500. If they're doing it on the Rumblebee, stands to reason that they will be able to also do it on the Ram 1500. Also with the Hurricanes, we know those are very, very capable engines. My understanding is that they've got Hurricane engines that they're testing right now, not making 1,000 horsepower like I mentioned before, but they are pushing 2,000 horsepower with the Hurricane 6. And I know a lot of people just hate on the Hurricane 6 because it's a 6. And I know that, 6 equals hate for a lot of Mopar enthusiasts. It has to be a V8. I get that. But it is pretty exciting thinking about how many people out there actually have a Ram 1500 or whatever else with a 5.7 V8. I mean, there are Durangos out there. They've talked about doing Durango packages. So I fully expect over the course of the next, say, 12 months, we start to see a lot more from Direct Connection, not only on the 5.7, but also on the Hurricane, possibly the Apaches as well. Of course, we don't have the Apache coming out in the Ram 1500s, but we may see it in some other offerings coming up relatively soon. Who knows? Maybe some of the SRT offerings that we have not seen yet will actually have the Apache 6.4 in it. Fully expect to see another Hellcat variant coming down here very soon as well. But the fact that they're doing lots of stuff, I think there's a new engine program going on. I can't talk a lot about it, but they are doing a lot of work. I mean, they are hiring people like crazy at Direct Connection, and fully expect a lot of announcements coming down from Direct Connection. Direct Connection has a website, DC Performance. You guys can go there, and I was told that there will be a lot of new announcements coming down from DC Performance, and you can kind of follow along to see some of the new stuff that they have planned. But I am very, very excited, and I cannot wait. I can't tell you exactly when these 5.7 kits are going to be coming down for the Ram 1500s, but I know they're working on it. Behind closed doors, they're working on a lot of stuff. And man, by this time next year, I have to expect that they're going to have so many things for the enthusiast out there that will keep your warranty, that will get people excited about just making more power, modding their cars a little bit, and not worrying about voiding their warranty, because we know how expensive that can be. And that's really the whole purpose of this. But we've seen, like, for example, Ram, the good example is the Roush Ram that they just came out with. Hennessy has a new Maximus package on their SRT Rumblebee that makes over 1,000 horsepower. We're seeing just lots of different partnerships, Fox Shocks on the DC 650. There's just tons of partners coming out of the woodwork now that Ram is starting to work with. Fully expect Dodge to do some partnerships coming up here relatively soon. And who knows what's coming down from Jeep. I don't follow those guys quite as close, but I am really excited about what I'm seeing from Direct Connection. I wanted to keep today's video relatively short and sweet, but a couple of key takeaways. One, Direct Connection is definitely growing. They're working on a lot of stuff behind closed doors. These packages are not all that easy to bring to market. Keep that in mind, but I know they are adding people like crazy. They're working very, very hard. Expect some stuff on the older platform as well. If you like red-eye Chargers and Challengers, perhaps there's something coming for you that is an absolute monster. Expect maybe something new on the crate engine side that is very, very cool. Expect some 5.7 packages that have gone on, like the Durango, the 1500, stuff like that. They're working on all that stuff right now. Lots of Hurricane stuff going on behind the scenes, like I just mentioned. So I am very, very optimistic that Direct Connection is going to continue to grow, and the fact that you can do it at your local dealership and keep your warranty, I mean, it is basically a no-brainer for a lot of performance enthusiasts out there. Just come up with the money and then go have fun with it. That's the way it works with Direct Connection. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think about these stage kits. I wish I could give you more. A lot of it's still under development, still being decided, but I know they're hard at work. Fully expect a lot of stuff. Go to dcperformance.com and pay very close attention to some of the announcements coming out from them here in the next few months. I am excited. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. So until then, RacerX.